Hello, friends. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth. And today, as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. Happy to say that everything is going quite well right now. I'm really happy, and I wish this for everybody. So, along with that, I'd like to talk to you about something today that I just went across my mind, and I want to share it. Are you a half empty or half full kind of person? I repeat, are you a half cup empty or a half cup full kind of person? And we all heard this before. They say glass. They don't say cup. They say a half glass or a half full glass kind of person. Well, I think that it doesn't matter what you are. If you're a half full glass kind of person, or if you're a half whatever, half full, half empty. If you're half empty kind of person, if you're a half full kind of person, it doesn't really matter. What really matters is that you can change it. So, what we're talking here is about positivity and negativity, the way you look at things. Being an optimist, looking always at the best possibilities that can be, instead of looking at all the non possibilities that can happen. So, that will translate to stopping you in your tracks or discouraging you on doing something. And what I'm meaning about this is this is that even if you have a half empty kind of person, that would be in the negative side, you can change it to a half full kind of person. One of the best ways I think you can do this is to think back when you were in school. Look back at the kind of teachers you had. There's always a few teachers in your school journey that kind of stood out for you. Those teachers are the ones that they usually call your mentors. These days, mentor is a very popular word. Your mentors. And remember how though you couldn't do the stuff that you was trying to do, it was really complicated for you and they saw you struggling, they encouraged you to believe in yourself, that they believed in you so that you believed in yourself, and eventually you conquered the difficulty. You conquered that math problem. You conquered that chemistry equation. You conquered that physics experiment. You conquered the really difficult things because of those excellent teachers that you had along the way. Because they never gave up on you so that you could not give up on yourself. And I remember I had a lot of those because it wasn't easy for me to learn. I was very distracted, as you can imagine. I was like the wandering kid, the one that was always in the clouds, the dreamer, the one that they called the spaced out kid, eventually became the space kid. And now I developed it to be the space rocker of the planet Earth. Many people thought it couldn't be done. And I could tell you that at this time, there was many times that I thought and I questioned my my abilities because of this same dilemma. And I give you a way of combating that. I'm going to show you a way to combating that. Half empty or half full. You can always make a choice. Make a choice of half full. Go back and think about all the encouraging teachers that you had in your past. All your excellent, great teachers that you had, your mentors, and how they encouraged you to believe in yourself. I know you have those. And from this day on, start living with a half full mentality. It's never late. It's never late to change. I hope you get this message. Think about it real deeply. Because this can be the beginning of a new day for you. And with this one, I want to say hi to everybody. I want to say hi to all the people around the world that watches my videos, watches my blogs. If you like what you hear, go ahead and subscribe. I'm here mostly every day. Hit that like button. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth. Today, with the message of, are you a half full or a half empty kind of person?